Hello, foolish mortals. This is Teen Living Dead Duo with thescarefactor.com. We are here at the 13th Acre in Monroe, North Carolina. They have been at this new property since 2023, and they have been expanding every single year.
25 acres of terror.
Yes. They have a new VIP section, which I highly recommend.
Oh,
it is phenomenal and one of a kind. Also, they have a new thing this year, the diner, which we are super stoked about. And there's so many great things to do in the midway while you're here, and so many actors running around to scare the bejesus out of you. So let's go in and get some scares.
Yeah.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. Somebody must be holding an HVAC, plumbing company or something. Oh man, what do we got here? A boiler room. Uh-oh. Someone sit there in trouble. Hey! Oh, check that out. Somebody got caught in a bind right there. Oh my goodness. What are they breeding in here? Looks like we're going down in the underground. Oh wow, these walls. This is wicked. I think we might wake that one up. Got me. Wow. Some bad news here.
Oh, what a shame. Y'all ain't ready to make a deal. Come back and see me later. How about?
We got a demon here.
Oh.
Frozen. Yeah, it's snowing in here. Wow. Look. I think we found Bigfoot.
Oh, nice.
Whoa.
Doesn't sound good.
Oh, we got some kids' toys. Uh-oh.
You're not afraid of the dark, are you?
Oh, we got all these heads hanging on a rope. Oh!
Oh, it's you.
The evil little kitties.
You're not afraid of the dark, are you?
Wow, all these.
I want these are.
Yeah, I know.
Grandma, like Holly. Will you help me find her? Where am I? Help me, please.
Wow.
Wanna play a game?
Oh.
Let's play hide and seek. You hide, and I'll find.
Wow. Check that out. Wow. Uh-huh. Twitcher. We got a twitcher over here.
I hate bees.
Wow. Something did not go well for him.
Oh, God.
Oh my goodness.
Please! I need to escape! The queen won't let me!
Uh-oh.
I won't get on.
Cocoon. Another one.
Oh my God, they're everywhere.
Yeah. Sheesh. These giant nests. Holy cow.
They'll grab you! They'll sting you! Sting! 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 Don't leave! You can't leave! No! No!
Wow, check this out. Had a little bit of trouble.
Yeah.
What? Oh. Ah! Aha! I see you! This is.
Hello there.
Hey! What's happening? This is different clown decor than I normally see. Yep. I see you! Is it party time?
Oh boy.
Hey! Oh yeah! Hey! Oh, what you got?
Skinned it yesterday.
Ooh!
Bought it. We have for supper.
Gonna share it with us?
Yeah.
Oh! Hey! Oh, we love it. It's Mighty Joe Young! Whoa! Good thing I became a pastor online. Looks like an exorcism's needed. Ah, Dr. Satan.
To the morgue. How many organs will you be donating today? Want to see my brains?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That was awesome.
Big snake.
Uh-huh. He's had better days.
Yeah.
Oh.
Welcome. You're in the right place.
Oh, really? Looks like it's been here a while.
Get you registered for some mental health care.
All right. Pen and paper?
We offer the finest electroshock therapy in the state.
Oh.
If that doesn't work, we have other special methods. Talk to our inmates. I'm sure they'll tell you.
Oh,
Peekaboo! You want to come and play? Come and play! I want to come and play with. Come and play! Come and play! I said come and play with me!
Looks not nice.
uh-huh.
Not nice. Not nice.
Oh, wow. I really thought that was a mannequin. Oh, man. Shoo!
Please give me help, please!
Are you the-
Promise I'll be good, please!
Are you the one that needs the Imodium?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really get her down! Please, get her down! Get her down!
this anymore.
Oh gosh, we've met him earlier.
Is this your house?
Get more of these girls.
They're like gremlins. Oh, all these drums. Oh, ho, ho.
You want to take a look for the road before you get slaughtered?
Oh, wow. Chop shop. Oh, wow, this is cool.
Excuse me, if you don't want to eat, you don't have to.
Well,
Now, would you like to hear tonight's special?
Yes.
It's baby eyeball meatballs served with a side of gulic bread. Keep note of the ghoul in gulic. It means that you're gonna die tonight. Now, Butch, if you really like meat tenderized, we'll take you in and he will give you the best massage of your life. It's to die for.
oh,
Yeah!
I'm kinda
Doesn't
simple.
that sound nice? Now come on and get sat. If you see Tom and Jerry, no you do not. No you do not.
I'm kind of simple. I just want some pancakes.
I don't think we would serve that. It's
French
well
toast?
past lunch.
French toast?
Sir,
Belgian waffle?
It is dinner.
Oh, I like breakfast for dinner too.
Senior citizen.
Yes,
Oh, that guy died eating his meal.
How many?
Oh, we got two.
two.
I don't think I have a table clean yet.
Oh, yeah.
Take a free tour of the kitchen.
Uh-huh. So what are you fixing us tonight? Hey! Are you the one fixing dinner for the diner? Oh, so they're importing your
You'll be
goods?
the next special.
Oh! Woo! We supposed to climb up there? Ah! We got a troublemaker. Ah! Nice. Ah! This way for free candy. This is cool. Wow.
Lots of candy in here.
Uh-huh. Oh. That's right. I'm a helpful hippie.
It's coming back!
There he is.
He's gonna kill me! He's coming back! All I want is candy!
Uh-huh. Wishing you a crisp departure. That's hilarious. Ooh. Oh, check it out. Wow, this is cool. Wow. Like the look at it. We got a burn victim.
Burning alive!
We're really dead. Oh, wow. Hey, hey! This is great. The Voodoo Swamp. Uh-huh. Oh, we got a mausoleum here. Mmm. Creeper. Oh, he's trapped. Oh. Is that Gemini?
3 faces.
3 faces.
Hope you have a great time here. Wonderful time. You gotta follow me this way. Gotta meet my friends.
Fantastic.
You wanna pet him? You wanna pet him?
Sure.
His name's Jack.
Birdie.
Yes. Yes, you better watch out with the corn.
There's a hand.
Aha. Yep. Whoop, 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 whoop.
You know, we could be anywhere. Just popping up places.
And you did.